How much water should I drink in a day? This is the most common question and everybody has different answer. But the easiest way to find this answer is to listen to your body. Listen to the thirst symptom that your body is giving you. But we are so busy nowadays that we don't have that connection with our body. Plus, we are spending most of the time in an air conditioned environment where we don't get this thirst symptom. So what can we do here? We can simply observe the color of our urine. This is the best indicator of fluid in our body. If it's dark yellow in color, that means you need more fluids in your body. But if it's light yellow or colorless, it shows that you have a perfect balance of fluids in your body. Reduced or excess amount of water in your body both are dangerous. Many people think that drinking tons and tons of water will help your body to remove out toxins or flush out toxins from the body. But actually, you are putting pressure on your kidneys to filter those extra liters of water. We all know that human body is 70% water. So it is not just important to drink tons of water, but it is also important to eat water in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables. So do this simple indicator test and let us know in the comment section whether it's helpful or not.